Hello and welcome back to the track. I know, 2 track videos back to back, it's a little too much. But I did bring the KX65 with me when we went to go test the CRF 150R. So, let's take a look at some of the highlights from the KX65. I mean, come on. Look at this new camera angle. We got the old Hero 3 looking back at me and the new Hero 10 looking out the front. Alright, a little bit of adjustment here and check the traffic. Check for traffic. Keep checking for traffic, and let's go. Alright, let's pull up behind the 150R right here. First time back at the track in many months. I think the time previous to this was Bakersfield, so getting accustomed to the track again. I feel like I'm sliding off the back of the bike. You can see me adjusting my position constantly. Let's see if we can catch up to that 150R here. This is the first session with the 150R out, so it shouldn't be that bad to catch. Everybody's getting used to it. Something I was keeping in mind here is I really wanted to work on body positioning. I'm absolutely terrible at practicing it, so I want to get over as far as I can and straighten out my arms as much as I can in the turns. Alright, past the 150R and totally missed the fact that Dixon was behind me. He rails this corner and leaves me in the dust. That's Adrian up ahead. I think I might be able to catch him. He's not riding his bikes, he's borrowing bikes today, so it's going to be a little uncomfortable with him. I think I can get him. If you saw the Bakersfield sprints, I was right on him during one of them, and I just could not close the deal, could not make it happen. Alright, I know I have a lot of drive out of this corner, so I can make up a lot of time. Going into Big Monza, this is such a fun turn. And this is my weakest turn here, the left-hander, but got a decent drive on the way out. I probably could have made a move here, but let's not take out our teammate for the 24-hour. Adrian's kind of walking away from me here, a little bit. I think I could go a little bit faster here. I get a little scared. I could definitely be more on throttle during that right hand. And we pass Adrian on the straight. Probably the only time I'll pass Adrian is when he's riding somebody else's bike. So next up, fun little clip of the only time I'll pass Dixon. So Dixon was running a train for us, wasn't riding his bike, and loses the front end right here, slides out into the exit. Like I said, only time I'll pass Dixon on this track. Alright, back chasing Adrian. He's on Dixon's bike now, which is a little bit faster than the other bike that he'd been riding before, so it's going to be hard to get around him. Let's see if we can make this happen. I get it pretty close to him on a few occasions, especially around this left-hander. I have a little bit of a better drive out of that. And then into this right, I tend to come out a little bit ahead of him. I cut it a lot closer than he does. And right here when I look down, I'm pretty sure that's when I lost my Kickstarter. My foot got tangled up in something, and when I pulled in after this, no Kickstarter. So I'm pretty sure that's when I lost it. Alright, got some good drive off of this right-hander, and chase him down to Big Monza. Closing, and not quite. See if we can get him in the left-hander coming up. Trying to get as close to him as possible. the gap, close the gap, close the gap. Brake, 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 and turn. Do we have it? Do we have it? Oh, I almost ran right into the back of him. I think he missed a shift or something. It's okay, we'll get him next time. Alright, little Monza, here we go, and we come up pretty close to him. Alright, rail, 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 rail. I know I've got a lot of drive going in this right hand, and let's see what we can make happen. There we go. Close the deal. Gotta do head down and everything. Got as much speed as I can in the big Monza. Rail it, rail it, rail it, rail it. And continue on. Alright, next up, you know I've got to get passed by some people, so pretty sure that's Brian from SoCal Supermoto just blowing by me like I was standing still, and Dixon on the 150R, making it look easy. And that's it for today. Thanks for hanging out with me. See you in the next one.